Guys, so another day in BTC land and another stream for off the charts. So let's just go and let's take a fresh chart and see what's going on. Okay, let's just go full on monthly. So monthly close, I mean we can go even on the yearly close. So if we take the yearly close, this is a good yearly close for the bulls. Okay, it dumped last year and then this year closed with a full engulfing. Not much volume though according to the sell-off volume, but it's good. So let's go down to the 3 month just to go. So yeah, it's going on decently. So almost a full bodied bullish candle. And on the monthly, as you guys can see on the monthly, we've got okay, so we're right at the monthly resistance line. Okay, this area, well, we can say that even this entire area is like a resistance level. And then if we take it with the last fibs down, we have the untapped, untouched 618 nearing and 0.5 as support. So it's pretty simple. We can now go down to the weekly. Okay, let's just take it with the weekly. And as we can see, we also got some fresh weekly support that broke. Okay, and here's some fresh weekly support that's might feel right, and more untapped weekly resistance. Okay, so this is like what's really close and what we need to chart. Now let's go down to the daily, and the daily, not much to add. We can just go simply like this and say, well, I'm in the, so daily is starting, we have really good buy pressure. Okay, really good buy volume. This is really good with 2 hours to close. But here, as you can see, we're starting to form bearish divergences, lower high, higher high, and here also, see. So we could extend up here tomorrow. That would make more divergence. And then if we show any signs of rejection from these areas, I would say, the market is stopping slowly. I would expect a pullback. Okay, I'd expect a pullback from any of these levels, 48 to 50k. That's an area I'd expect, as a risky one, honestly. What else? Well, we can like say last move down and then the 618, you see, that will also give us some resistances. I see total 2 here, still making like a higher low. Okay, that's good, but the dominance is moving up. Okay, we got dominance going up, total 2 making a higher low, and we have this things concern me on the CME chart. So we got multiple fresh gaps. So this is a gap on the daily from the New Year's Eve. This is a gap lower on untapped gap, gap. Okay, those are issues. So this gap, I don't know, they 80% of the time they get closed. This one is like, okay, this is way down. But the fresh ones, I would like to tap at least this one at the 40k at one point, make something like this. Somewhere around here, maybe wick down, and start slowly going up. Have like a pullback of a couple of weeks, maybe a month and a half, some bearish pullback to create structure, because this is all up structure, you know, as we saw on the monthly. It's just up, 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 up. Usually the 618 gives a rejection, and then we can, you know, project more fibs and say this is not good. So honestly, I would like to tap something like this, maybe go sideways, and they go into halving, you know, with some fresh bullish momentum to go up, you know, maybe tap all-time high this year and see how it goes. Overall, I'm bullish on the situation. Intermediately, I'd say do book profits in this fib area levels. As we saw, we have a weekly, monthly resistance, 618 resistance that will give a pullback. How big? It's hard to say. The pullback needs to be like, even if it's a 15% pullback, okay, then that's a 30-40% drop on alts, and you know how it goes. That's blood in the market, and that hurts a lot. So that's what I'm looking at here. Okay, so let's keep it short and sweet as it's New Year, and I wish everybody doing well. I think everybody's safe, and you know, everybody had a nice New Year's Eve. Everybody had a nice entry into it, and let's get the market. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining, and let's keep up in the groups. Thanks, guys.